say hello to you. Now I'm in the factory. Follow me to walk a little bit to see how many machines we manufacturing here. Single table enclosed with exchanging table. Everything we build here. We help the integrator to build their ability to support, to share, to service the fiber laser cutting machine in their country. 1.5 meter by 3 meter long, 2 meter by 4 meter long, 2 meter by 6 meter long, and 2.5 meter by 6 meter long. Any size, any power. 3 kilowatt, 6 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt, any power you want, with the high speed servo motor cutting, with the compact design, to loading the 40 high cube container, no problem. It's our manufacturing center. You can see we put a lot of bed here. I'm going to show you the CNC milling center here in our factory. We have the two big CNC milling center, polishing the bed, machine bed, and just waiting to pressing. Yeah, it is the one here, making accuracy one. This one for making the gantry, aluminum gantry. X-bin. Here is the finished production bed. They're welding the bed. The raw material, laser for our own use, second laser for our own use, multiple press brake on that way. They're welding something square. Here's another workshop for the tube cutting machine, auto loading system with the side mounted chuck, 2 chuck, this is the most popular one. Heavy duty auto feeding system for a tube cutting machine. Here's the popular Pro Cut with the auto loading system for the square tube and long tube, two truck side mounted option. The truck is movable to get the zero tailing. Welcome to contact us with the latest fiber laser cutting machine.